Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this easy, beautiful and very different looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your chain sweater, lady sweater, baby's blanket. See, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. I have done 1.5 repeat here. This is 1 repeat and this is half, 1.5 repeat. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 24 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 7 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 7 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 16 stitches on my needle, which is 7 plus 7 14 and 2 edge stitch 16. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, 2 4 5, knit 5 and then twist 2 to the right way. Bring this stitch here to the here from the front side and place it on your left hand needle. And now from these two stitch, this twisted stitch, slip and then this stitch purl, slip 1, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2, slip 1, purl 1. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5 and then twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2, slip 1 and purl 1. Edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 in every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and then twist 2 to the right way. Bring this stitch here from the front side, twist 2 to the right way and from these two, slip 1, purl 1 and 1 purl stitch, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2, slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 1. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, twist 2 to the right way, from these two, knit 1, slip 1, purl 1 and then purl stitch, purl. Edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, Row 5 right side edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, twist 2 to the right way, bring this stitch here from the front side, and from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2 slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 2. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, twist 2 to the right way, from these two from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 2. That's the we have done 2 repeats. Edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, knit 2 and then twist 2 to the right way, from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 2, twist 2 to the right way and then from that twist 2 slip 1, purl 1 and purl 3. Again knit 2, twist 2 to the right way, from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Edge stitch, knit. Row 8, for row 8 purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, twist 2 to the right way, bring this stitch here from the front side and from these two slip 1, purl 1 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Knit 1, twist 2 to the right way and purl 4, 1, 2, 4. Again knit 1, twist 2 to the right way, from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Edge stitch, knit. Row 10, for row 10 purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch slip, start the repeat from here. Twist 2 to the right way, from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Twist 2 to the right way and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again twist 2 to the right way, from these two slip 1, purl 1 and then purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Edge stitch, knit. Row 12, for row 12 purl all stitches. Row 13, now from row 13 we're gonna go like this. So row 13 edge stitch slip and then twist 2 to the left way. Now we're gonna twist this stitch to the left way, so bring this stitch here from the back side. Before we did from the front side and now we're gonna bring this stitch from the back side. and twist it to the left way, and from these two, purl 1 and slip 1. Before we did slip 1 and purl 1, and now we are doing purl 1 and slip 1, and here knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Twist 2 to the left way, from that twist 2, purl 1, slip 1 and knit 5. Again twist 2 to the left way sorry, and from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and then knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Edge stitch, knit. Row 14, purl all stitches. Row 15, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, bring this stitch here from the front side, back side, and from these two, purl 1, slip 1, knit 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, knit 4. Again purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and then knit 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Edge stitch, knit. Row 16, purl all stitches. Row 17, edge stitch, slip, and before you start the repeat, purl 2, start the repeat from here. Purl 2, twist 2 to the left way, and from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Purl 2, twist 2 to the left way and knit 3. Again purl 2, twist 2 to the left way, from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. Edge stitch, knit. Row 18, purl all stitches. Row 19, edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl 3, twist 2 to the left way, from these two, purl 1 and slip 1 and then knit 2. Purl 3, twist 2 to the left way and knit 2. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, twist 2 to the left way, and from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and then knit 2. Edge stitch, knit. Row 20, purl all stitches. Row 21, edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 4, twist 2 to the left way, from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and then knit 1. That's the repeat. Purl 4, twist 2 to the left way and knit 1. Again purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist 2 to the left way, from these two, purl 1, slip 1 and knit 1. Edge stitch, knit. Row 22, purl all stitches. Row 23, edge stitch slip. Start the repeat from here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 5, twist 2 to the left way. From these two, purl 1 and slip 1. That's the repeat. Purl 5, 2, 4, 5, twist 2 to the left way. Again, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, twist 2 to the left way. Purl 1, slip 1 and then edge stitch knit. Row 24, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 24 rows, row 1 to row 24, over and over again until you reach your desired length. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.